Today is Friday, June 1st. The time is 9:29 p.m. This is Memman101. This is the 2011 Panini Crown Royale football break, break number 17. Good luck, everybody. First card, Calvin Johnson, Lions. Next we have a redemption. We'll do that at the end of the pack. Majestic, Jamal Charles, Chiefs. Bears rookie, Stephen Paya. Royalty, Bears again, Richard Dent. Eagles, Ronnie Brown. The redemption is for RPS, Rookie Gold Die Cut, Signature Prime Materials, card number 234. Let me take a look on the checklist. .234 is Jonathan Baldwin, Kansas City Chiefs. Crown Jewels rookies, Kyle Rudolph, Vikings. Rookie Royalty, Jersey, Dolphins, Clyde Gates. Josh Freeman, calling all captains, Buccaneers. Eagles rookie, Danny Watkins. Kings of the NFL, Matt Ryan, Falcons. Reggie Bush, Dolphins. Knights of the Gridiron, Charles Woodson, serial number 73/100 for the Packers. Kings of the NFL jersey, Jets, Mark Sanchez. Living Legends, Jets, Wayne Corbett. Ravens rookie, Jimmy Smith. The Zone, Mike Wallace, Steelers. Colts, Reggie Wayne. And the last pack, Blue Crown, Marquise Colston, Saints, serial number 76/100. Autograph rookie, Redskins, Niles Paul, serial numbered 300/499. Rookie Royalty, Von Miller, Broncos. Tampa Bay Buccaneers rookie, Alan Bradford. Steelers, All Pros, James Harrison. And the last card, San Francisco 49ers, Michael Crabtree. Thank you everybody for bidding. Please check out my other eBay box breaks. Ending tomorrow for 2011 football, I have Panini Prime Signatures and Panini Certified. Also listed for 2011 football, I have Top Supreme and Panini Playbook. For 2012 football, the brand new Bowman Signatures. If anyone's interested in hockey for 2011-12 box breaks, Panini Limited, Panini Certified, and Panini Crown Royale.